So today we're heading to a car meet called Downshift. It's going to start at 2 o'clock. I'm just here chilling in the car waiting for Cameron and Matthew to come back from Super Cheap Autos. Yeah, probably wash the cars or something.
Where did you park?
It's over there. There's free parking.
It's a black man! Run!
It's a nigger. It's a mega nigger. It's a digger nigger.
So now that you're here, you're the lunch run, mate.
Lunch run? That's funny. I haven't ran since preschool.
Do you want to get some $5 pizzas? Yeah, cheers, on.
Cheers, bro.
What'd you get?
My dick fell off.
Oh yeah.
I bought new exhaust, bro.
Wouldn't exhaust.
Interesting.
While my dick was falling off.
Do you see, like, above my exhaust where it curves up? It covers that entire space. It's fat
Yeah.
as fuck.
Cameron, that's a diffuser.
My dick fell off. Would you believe me if I told you my dick fell off?
Nope.
Is it gonna work?
This is my new exhaust.
A new Tristana skin on League of Legends.
Is that what you're putting on?
Junkyard Tristana.
How much louder is it?
It's not louder. It's just lighter. And not rusted.
Does it sound the same?
Honestly couldn't tell you.
We're about to find out.
Bug, 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 bug,
I
bug, bug.
should wash my car.
Look at this clean as fuck zip tie work, bro. I clean my shop, bro. Look at this clean zip tie work, bro. Like cable management.
Cable management?
Yeah, bro.
Interesting.
Clean as fuck, boy. Eventually I'm gonna get that powder coated.
Jesus.
And then
It's a lot of work. That's a lot of work.
new top mount.
What about a front mount?
Front mounts for pussies.
Oh, okay.
Make America great again. Fuck you, God.
Watch your profanity.
America! Make America great again. Woo!
Shit.
You need to put 3 cups, not 5 slaps.
Put 3 caps in you.
Oi. Whoa, you don't have a gun license, bro. Can't do that.
Luca does, bro.
Luca. No, but you need a Cameron and a Joey.
Yeah. I don't need to take that off. I need to take that off.
Matt, this is fun.
Yeah, you'll need a jack then. You can't get under there.
Let me get a socket. I think it's it. I think these ones are in Imperial.
Yo, Cameron, did the Drake vocals come in yet?
What?
The Drake vocals.
What are you trying to say is dick fell off?
No, my wang doesn't come for a few days.
Need to repair this surface. Nigga?
Is it a lock nut? Like, do you have to hold the other end while you undo it? Wherever you want, mate.
Over there, behind my car.
Just park there. Where it says no parking, park there.
That's park here.
It says you can't park here. You delinquent.
Recording it.
Boy, that's a really good peep you got there, eh?
Thanks, bro.
You're holding the nut with that.
Yeah, where should it
Hold it from the side.
be? Is it just spinning the other side?
It's tightening it.
Fuck.
All the way. Okay.
Fucking the worst angle ever. Right, for sure I get my Fuck.
Big flathead.
Yeah, way heavier.
So you like
Hey, I'm a driver of this Toyota 86 over here. And it's a Rex chopper.
Okay. Can you please put your things on, please?
Subaru, every bolt is meant to be 14.
You got it?
Look where the hangers are.
No, it's gotta go up.
Huh?
It's gotta go up.
What do you mean?
Like it's gotta go up.
Yeah, it can't.
Do I have any room to go up?
What bump is it?
Put my pedal to the floor. Yeah, make it roar. Pull up skirt, vintage door.
White WRX, blue WRX, V6 Camry. Oh, sorry, V8 Camry. What do you drive again? Four-wheel drive.
Who drives that?
A bicycle. Nice.
No, that's the turbo.
Black WRX.
It's got a
Black 86.
Chop it, flip it, move it out the bando. Pull up in a Billy, foreign cars are random. Matter of fact, I probably want the Phantom.
See me flexing on your bitch, don't forget about me. See I'm dripping on your bitch, you can't forget about me. See I'm dripping VVS. Hey, see I'm flexing on your bitch.
Excuse me, mate. Did you order the fucking pepperoni pizza? Hell yeah. Does that come with pineapple or nah?
Fuck off, cunt.
Yeah, you hear it now, folks. No pineapples on pizzas.
I told you nigga I won't be that fucking nigga. Everything be good until you doing it. I'm thug to the bone, but I'm still outside of the box. She shared a cigarette with me when I wanted to play the guitar. She asked me what is it mean? The candy king play wrong. Said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want to drink on? She said cheers.
So that's my goals right there. Found your dream car, Nick. Can you see it?
No, it's got canvas thing.
Can you see it? Oh, okay. Well, if I put cameras on it, and then it's your dream car, right?
Here it is. Got halfway down the mountain, but still nothing yet. Tom said, yeah. It's built. And it's an Integra engine. It's an Integra engine.
All right, Wes.
This is my
Wesley, come here and tell me exactly what's in this.
Dude, it's got my name on it, so it's mine.
Wesley. Now, Wesley, what is
Joey, it's got my
that?
name, so it's mine.
What is it?
The blue thing, oil filter.
Oh, yeah, all right. 1 point to Matt.
Engine's in it?
Is it a V6 or inline 6?
The same engine that came with the car.
Oh my god.
Don't forget about me. See I'm dripping on your bitch, you can't forget about me. See I'm dripping VVS. Hey, see I'm flexing on your bitch. Hey, see I'm flexing VVS, don't forget about me. See I'm dripping VVS, they can't forget about me. No, I'm flexing on a bitch.
Everybody say, oh, way yo. Way yo.
Hey, no, I'm flexing on your click. Say,
Girl, you cool, but you know I can find a better you. Feelings ain't dang, but you might need something new. Yeah, might need a better do. Low wave for time.
Segoy. All right, Louis, I'll take the left one if you want the right one, eh? All right, we'll go for that. Sorry, Matt, not for you. All right, Nick, do the fist test. Go. Put your fist in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can you put 2 fists? Can you put your whole head in it? Oh, 1,000 years of death.
Yeah. That's deafening right there. Can you take a photo of it?
My god. Yeah, good talk. Or good talk.
See, Louis, if you
Play on words. 600 horsepower. Good talk. Or good talk.
The better shoes. Put my pedal to the floor. Yeah, make it roar. Pull up skirt, vintage door.
It's got the cat on the outside.
What the fuck is that? Are we done, Matt? Are we finished for the day?
HSP.
So Matt wants to go to HSP. Louis wants to go to play pool.
I need to retune my Subaru down to 800 horsepower.
One of these actually could be ours.
Yep, we're going home. Maybe. Goodbye, Matthew. Bye, Cameron. See you later, boy. Goodbye, baby grill. I love you. If that guy was actually holding all those batteries, he'd be knackered. Hello, baby. How's it going?
Baby, give me a kiss. Baby, give me a kiss.
No, oh, boy. Oh, no. No, Eddie's, please, no. So we just left playing pool and now we're heading back to Louis' house. We're all pretty tired because all the fumes and the cars, and my eyes hurt and things, and we didn't even go swimming and my eyes hurt, and that's how bad it is. Gonna end this video here. Goodbye.
Jump out, lift my door. Yeah, that bitch kinda hard to handle. Chop it, flip it, move it out the bando. Pull up in a Bentley, foreign cars are random. Matter of fact, I probably want the Phantom.
See me flexing on your bitch, don't forget about me. See I'm dripping on your